Hello. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Today we're going to have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is just a simple Yayoi Kusama collaboration that we kind of like want to put into our collection because some of the other ones we didn't really like it anyways. And then we didn't like the bag with the pumpkin and stuff like that, or the dots and stuff, whatever. But this one is kind of like a cute one, and then it's going to be a collectible for us. So let's go check this out. So we went to South Coast Plaza. A friend of ours, Rain and Matthew on Instagram. Hello guys. This is because of you guys. So now I encourage Sebastian to get me one too. So, and then when we saw it at the store, and then Sebastian said, "Do you want it?" I'm kind of like, "Yeah." And then he bought me one. So let's see. It's so nice. Ta-da! So you already know, you're going to have an idea already what it is because of the packaging of it. So it's going to be a quick unboxing type of thing. So you already have the idea anyways, what is this? But the coolest thing about this one is the packaging. So, ta-da! Look at this one! Oh my gosh. They're super nice, like, right? Immensité, Louis Vuitton times Yayoi Kusama. This is the 100 ml that they have, or 3.4 FLOs. I used to have a L'Immensité, and then now we have it again. So, but this one is a really cute one. So there you go. There's the code on that. But the coolest thing on this one is what's inside. So it's so cool. So that's why when Rain sent it to me, and then he saw it to from Matthew, I was like, I showed it to Sebastian, and then when we went to get his Sebastian's eyeglasses, and then he said, "Do you want one?" I'm like, "Yeah, I want one." So yeah, and then he bought me one. Yeah, happy Easter, by the way. This is so cool. Look. Very perfect for Easter. This is the second drop of her collaboration with Louis Vuitton for this year. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me just package this one nicely so that it's kind of like super cute. Ta-da! Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that gorgeousness. This is just a the canister for the perfume. Right? So it's so nice. And then this one's kind of like 3D type of thing, so you can feel the dots. And then the one inside, that's why it's really nice, because I was like, oh, this is really nice collectible. There's one L'Immensité that's dots, like the boring dots type of thing, or I should say neutral, with the gray, the white, the black dots. But then I'm kind of like, it's okay. Rain showed me that too, but I'm kind of like, it's okay. But this one kind of like, oh wow, this is nice. Oh, to reveal, ta-da! It's the same as the. So this is so cute. Thank you, Sebastian. Ta-da! So this one is the same as the canister. Look how gorgeous this is. Although yes, they jack up the price, so you already know that. But look at this L'Immensité with the pumpkins, and then her iconic dots and stuff. So yeah. But this one, of course, they jacked up the price, right? So we already know that, because it's a collaboration. Let me tell you how much is it. Because the L'Immensité is the L'Immensité alone. Thank you, Lilian. Here's Lilian, my new client advisor there. So it was 365 plus, of course, plus the, so there you go. So technically it's $393.29 right there. So So yeah, typically this one is like what? One is typically $300 with tax. So it's about like $50 more without the tax anyways. So yeah, but it's what do you think of this one? I think it's so gorgeous, and then this is good to put it on our bathroom collection perfume. There you go, ta-da! And then it will be here, pop. Or we can just rearrange it, and then she's gonna be the one in front. So there you go, there's the California Dream. This is the Sur la Route. Yeah, there you go. So there you go, there's our hi. So there's our collection of our perfume. How do you like that? And that one is really nice. It's stunning among the rest of them, right? And then of course the California Dream. It's kind of like the bottle is nice. But anyways, thank you for watching. This is gonna be a quick video, like I said. This is just presenting the L'Immensité by Yayoi Kusama. And I hope you are amazed with its beautiful, intricate decoration or design, I should say. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment below. What do you think of this Yayoi Kusama drop number 2 that she did? You like it? You don't like it? What are the things that you like? What are the things that you don't like? Are you like us that this is the only thing that we want from the pieces that she has? And yeah, comment below, subscribe now, and like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Do what makes you happy. Bye-bye. Here are the other designs on the perfume that we saw yesterday. Atre Rev. So this one is with the sun type of decorations and designs. Spell on You smells so good too, with a sunflower. And then the dots with the L'Immensité, and then the rest of it.